Good morning, class. Today, 26th of November 2020. Very pleasant weather outside, isn't it? Putting a heavy rainfall here also in our campus. So, I welcome you all in this pleasant weather with our English online class. Today, we are going to start the new chapter number 8, the hack driver. The hack, H-A-C-K, hack driver. The meaning of this word, hack driver, is a driver of a horse, carriage for hire. Driver of a horse, carriage for hire. किराए के घोड़े की गाड़ी को चलाने वाला कोचवान को कहते हैं hack driver. This story is composed by Sinclair Lewis. Before we start the story, let us have some idea about the poem, about the author. Okay. So, Mr. Lewis, he was an American novelist and a short story writer. At the same time, he was a playwright. Okay. He is the first American writer to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature. He is the first getting the Nobel Prize in English Literature. Some of his famous novels are, उसकी famous novels हैं Hike and the Aeroplane, The Job, an American Novel, Free Air, etc. So this is a short introduction of the author. Okay, so here the author, he tried to give a message in the story that is a basically story related to the hack driver, and it is about a man whose name was Oliver Lutkins. Okay, Oliver Lutkins, sorry. He was a cunning man, very cunning man, who was a witness in a case, but he ignored all the requests for appearing. He ignored all the requests. At that time, a young lawyer, okay, was given the duty to find this man in New Mullion. There he met a helpful and cheerful hack driver. The driver tasked him around the village in search of Lutkins. So this hack driver helped the lawyer in search of Lutkins, but is unable to find him. So later on, the lawyer came to know that the hack driver was himself, Oliver Lutkin. The young lawyer becomes the laughing stock of all. He becomes fool, isn't it? So this is a short introduction about the story, how the hack driver become fool to the lawyer, isn't it? So let us see the story. Take out page number 47, isn't it? The hack driver. Before we start, let us read. A young lawyer came to a village to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. So the lawyer came to that village to give some summon. That summon means appealing from the court or information from the court. कोर्ट की तरफ से कुछ समन दिया जाता है, आदेश दिए जाते हैं जो उस पर्सन तक पहुंचाना होता है. A friendly hack driver tasked him round the village in search of Lutkins. Does he find who is that Lutkins like that? Let us see in the story. After graduating with honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. After graduating with honors. Graduating with honors means graduation with honors. Honors means if you are studying in a specific subject, only specific subject, then you will be considered as an honor student. ओके आप किसी सब्जेक्ट में माहिरता लाना चाहते हैं, उसके बारे में डिटेल स्टडी करना चाहते हैं, तो ऑनर्स लेके पढ़ना पड़ता है ग्रेजुएशन. ओके आई एम आल्सो एन ऑनर स्टूडेंट. ओके मैंने भी ऑनर्स लेके पढ़ा है. ग्रेजुएशन विदाउट ऑनर्स इज I don't think it's a valuable. It is not. It is worthless. If you want to do graduation, whether it is a BA, BSc, BCom, whatever it is there, if you take honors, then it is more valuable because it gives such importance. If you are getting in honors, if you are getting marks at 60%, it will be considered as an 80%. If you are giving any type of competitive exam after graduation. अगर आप ऑनर्स लेके पढ़ते हैं और आपके 60% चाहते हैं, तो आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में कंसीडर किया जाता है 80% के. इतना ऑनर्स की वैल्यू होती है. तो ऑनर्स ग्रेजुएशन में ऑनर्स लेके पढ़ना एक बहुत टफ काम होता है बिकॉज passing mark is higher than that normal way. As it is 33, there it is 45. You have to get 45 at least, otherwise back or supplementary. Okay, so graduating with honors. After graduating with honors, I became here. The author became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. Okay, he became an assistant clerk in a small magnificent law firm. I was sent not to prepare legal briefs, but to serve summons like a chief private detective. Okay. The narrative states that here he passed his graduation with honors. Then he became a junior assistant in a good law firms. Then he was sent to serve summons. Okay, उसे भेजा गया एक सामान भेजने के लिए, उसे कुछ चीज सामान के लिए बांटने के लिए उसे भेजा गया. Then afterwards, I had to go to dirty and shadowy corner of the city to seek out my victims. Then he went out to search that particular van in a very dirty and shadowy corners of the city. Some of the larger and more self-confident ones even beat me up. I hated this unpleasant work and the sight of the city life it revealed to me. I even considered fleeing to my hometown where I could have been a real lawyer right away without going through this unpleasant training period. So here the author says that he was sent to serve someone and some beat him up. Okay, कुछ लोगों ने उसकी पिटाई भी करी. And he had to go to dirty place to serve summons on people. और उसे कई ऐसी जगहों में जाना पड़ता था जो बहुत dirty था और वो कर भी नहीं पाते थे like that. So he had to go to in that dirty places and give the summons to the respective people. He thought to run home as he hated his job. He had to go door to door service to give the summons to their respective. He hated this job. But he has to do that. He thought to run home as he hated his job, but he continued working. It was an unpleasant training period. So it was a training period and he has to do his training. There is no options other than this. So he has to do that work during that training period. उसके पास कोई options नहीं था कि वो समन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट के अलावा और कुछ काम कर सके. Because this is a training period and he has to do that one. Now, next paragraph we proceed. So I rejoiced one day when they sent me out 40 miles in the country to a town called New Union to serve summons on a man called Oliver Lutkins. Okay. We needed this man as a witness in a law case, and he had ignored in our letters. One day, he was sent to New Mullion. It was a town which was 40 miles in the countryside. He had to serve someone on Mr. Oliver Lutkins. And he reached there, okay. And this man, he was just avoided, ignored all the letters which were gone to them. He was just ignored it. Now, this time the narrator has to send this sermon. Let us see. Next paragraph. When I got to New Mullion, my eager expectations of sweet and simple country village were severely disappointed. Its streets were rivers of mud with rows of wooden shops, either painted or sore brown or bare of any paint at all. So when the narrator reached New Mullion, he has that intuition that the town must be very sweet and very clean. But when he entered there, he saw muddy streets, isn't it? And he saw that the wooden shops are there, they are not in a proper manner. The only agreeable sight about the place was the delivery man at the station. He was about 40, having red faced, cheerful, and think about the middle. So only the appreciable thing in that town that when he met the delivery man at the station पे मिला उस person. The man was about 40 years के थे वो, and he had a red face and looked cheerfully. He had a dirty dress, but had a friendly manner. Though he wear a very shabby dress, but was a very helpful person. Okay. Now, he felt at once that he liked people. I told him, to find a man named Oliver Lutkins. Page 10. In the next page, here it is written, Lutkins, I saw him around here about an hour. Hard fellow to catch though, always up to something or other. He is probably trying to start up a poker game in the back of Frisch's shop. I will tell you, boy, is there any hurry about locating Lutkins? Yes, I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. I was very important and secret about it. So the narrator told him that to that person that he wanted to find a man named Oliver Lutkins. And the man replied that he had seen Lutkins about an hour ago. उसने बताया कि 1 घंटे पहले ही उसने Lutkins को देखा था. The narrator told him that he wanted to see him at any cost. किसी भी कीमत पे उसे Lutkins से मिलना है. The man told that the narrator he had a hack. Okay, he had a hack, and he also told him that he knew most of the places where the Lutkins would hang around. बता सकता हुआ है ड्राइवर कि Lutkins कहाँ जाता था, किस लोगों से मिलता था, उसके बारे में उसको काफी नॉलेज है. Next paragraph. I will tell you, I have got a hack, and I will get it out, and we can drive around together and find Lutkins. I know most of the places he hangs out. He was so open and friendly that I glow with the warmth of his affection. I knew, of course, that he wanted the business, but his kindness was real. I was glad the fair money would go to this good fellow. I managed to bargain down to $2 an hour and then brought from his house nearby a sort of large black box on wheels. He remarked, well, Young man, here is the carriage, and his white smile made me to an old friend. These villagers are so ready to help a stranger. He had already made it his own task to find Oliver Lutkins for me. So here in this paragraph, the narrator says that as he told that he wanted to find the person named Oliver Lutkins, he replied narrator that he wanted to see him. The narrator replied that he wanted to meet that Oliver Lutkins at any cost. किसी भी कीमत पे उससे मिलना है. The man told that he had a hack. He also told him that he knew most of the places where Lutkins would hang around. The narrator found the man to be open and friendly. Narrator को लगा ये person बहुत open and friendly, and he was very much kind to him also. Then he agreed to pay him $2 per hour. Narrator ने कहा कि मैं तुम्हें per hour $2. ठीक है? The man with the hack told that he had to take money from Lutkins. ये Lutkins से पैसे ले लेगा, no problem. He told the narrator about one thing also. First ने narrator को बताया, if we went to Lutkins to get money in fancy clothes, Lutkins would be suspicious and go away. अगर हम इस clothes में जाएंगे, fancy clothes, if we went to Lutkins to get money in fancy clothes, Lutkins would suspicious and go away. So he offered to go into Fritz's shop. He would ask for him on his behalf. The narrator could keep himself out of sight. वो उसकी तरफ से उसे पूछेगा और वो स्वयं को उससे दूर रखना चाहता है कि अपने आप को आइडेंटिफाई मत करना. अदरवाइज लटकिंस को पता चलती है, लटकिंस वहां से स्किप अप हो जाएगा और वो आपके हाथ नहीं लगेगा. राइट. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. He said, I don't want to interfere, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutkins. He never pays anybody a cent. वो किसी को भी एक सिंगल पेनी नहीं देता Lutkins. He still owes me 50 cents on a poker game and I was fool enough to pay with him. He is not really bad, but it's hard to make it part with his money. If you try to collect from him in those fancy clothes, he will be suspicious and get away from you. उससे एक पैसा निकालना बहुत मुश्किल. Though he is not a bad person, but when we are talking about money, पैसे की बात करते हैं तब उससे पैसा निकालना बहुत मुश्किल. If you go like this in fancy clothes, he will find something suspicious in us and he will skip up from that place. अगर उसे पता चलेगा कि we are going to search it, तो उसे मालूम पड़ेगा और इस ड्रेस में, तो वो हम पे डाउट करेगा और वो उस जगह से चले जाएगा. If you want, I will go into fridge and ask him for you can keep outside behind. अगर आप कहेंगे तो मैं फ्रिज शॉप में जाता हूँ and I will help you, but you keep aside from this side. आप थोड़ा दूरी रहो. I loved him for this. By myself, I might never have found Lutkins with the hack driver's knowing help. I was sure of getting my man. I took him into my confidence and told him that I wanted to serve the summons on Lutkins, that the man had refused to be a witness when his information would have quickly settled our case. The driver listened earnestly. At the end, he hit him on the shoulder and laughed. Well, we will give Brother Lutkins a little surprise. So here, the narrator felt very happy that the man was so eager to help him. उसे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि वो person कितना उसको help कर रहा है. He would get Lutkins with the help of that man. The man told that the narrator, the folks there called him Bill or Magnuson. Okay, he told about it something about Lutkins, that he was a very clever and a cunning person, very clever one. and he was good at deceiving people also. लोगों को चीट करना उससे बहुत आसान से, लोगों को बेवकूफ बनाना, फूल करना बहुत आसान से. He told something more about, he was giving some information to narrator about Lutkins. Okay, so I hope whatever we have discussed today, it must be clear to you.